Hello, everyone. David and I are happy to welcome you to Luxury Waterfront Living in Fort Lauderdale. We're going to tour 315 Royal Plaza today. Wait till you see this particular property.
Let's go inside. Welcome to our Fort Lauderdale blog on the state of the luxury market for 2019. We're sitting here with Elaine Tatum, and I was actually going to say the name, but I'm actually going to let her introduce herself because I know I'm probably going to get it wrong.
I'm Tika Vandenberg, Senior Director of Luxury Sales at Douglas Elliman.
Perfect. So, what everybody wants to know is where is the state of the luxury market in Fort Lauderdale, and where better to actually talk about the luxury waterfront market than to sit in this absolutely fantastic home on the Las Olas Isles that is Tika's listing. This property sits directly on the water. You can get let's hear it from the expert, a few words about the house.
So we have 310 feet of waterfront, and we have over 260 feet of actual dockage on the property. So pretty much any mega yacht can dock here, and within 10 minutes be out into the open ocean. So it's highly desirable for a high-end boater or a yachtsman.
I would say anyone with toys would want to live here. You've got not only 310 feet on the water, but you've got an incredible garage, which I will let David unveil shortly.
You're going to see that later down in the video. So make sure you stay tuned to watch the end of the video as we tour you through the property. So let's cross-analyze what's desired, what's wanted, and what's, I guess, shall we say, respected in priorities for luxury waterfront homes. What are the elements that really matter to the buyers?
So definitely waterfront is the key in Fort Lauderdale with 56 miles of navigable waterways. Definitely water frontage is important. Proximity to the ocean is very, very important. I would also say the amenities that are being offered on the property. This particular property's got some very unique qualities, but definitely enough parking for cars. The finishes, the ceiling height, the views onto the water are all very important pieces to why a person would buy property. Also, value per square foot is not linear. Once you get past 120 feet of waterfront in Fort Lauderdale, the prices really start to spike because there's very, very limited inventory of anything sort of beyond 120 feet of direct waterfront.
Fort Lauderdale is unique in that we have a very vibrant downtown area that is 5 minutes from these waterway island canals, and then the beach is also only 5 minutes away with the ocean inlet just around the corner. If you're a boater and you want to live in the boating capital of the world, this is where you would want to be. So it's very unique with the properties here where people want to live.
And what are, let's say, those key locations? Because if you're a relocationer, you don't know South Florida, you don't know Fort Lauderdale. If you're coming into this area for the first time, and again, through our website, you'll be able to kind of browse these different neighborhoods. What are the key, let's call them neighborhood pockets or communities, if you will? What are the key communities that are our focus? Just give us some names of these areas around Fort Lauderdale that you'll get these $8 million plus homes.
Well, definitely the three main waterfront communities would be Harbor Beach, Las Olas Isles, and Coral Ridge.
And I would add in there Rio Vista.
Okay. So Elaine, obviously dealing with it, and we deal with a lot of the relocations right now, and the schools comes as part of that conversation. What are the key schools in this neighborhood and area and the other areas that are really a major consideration?
The private schools really would be Pinecrest, American Heritage, you've got the University School, you've got, those are some of the top private schools where most of the students attend. But we also have along the Las Olas Isles, you have an A-rated elementary school that's a public school, which makes that very desirable for some people as well. So you can easily live here, have your child go to school, and be in the neighborhood with you.
I know we can't generalize about dollar per square foot, but just to give people some kind of sense of framework of what you can expect to pay, Elaine, the dollar per square foot that we're dealing with in this level of the market, and you're coming in, you're getting a well-finished home. It really doesn't have to be contemporary style. It could be colonial, could be transitional, could be Key West. What kind of dollar per square foot are we looking for canal front homes? Not necessarily point, because I know point homes cost a lot more, but canal front homes, what are we kind of looking at dollar per square foot?
I would say starting at $500 a square foot for
Right.
something fairly basic,
Mhm.
and then you scale up from there depending on.
$1,400 a square foot we've seen,
Yeah.
but primarily I think on average it's around $600 or $700 a square foot.
Okay, that's actually, I mean, compare that to the Miami market is definitely, you know, a more affordable and digestible dollar per square foot for waterfront. Now we're going to tour the property and we're going to show you exactly what you can get for $8 million in Fort Lauderdale on the water. Now for the fun part.
Yes.
We're standing in, and I can't even call it a garage. It's a showroom, or the world's biggest man cave. I think is another way to describe it. Whether you're going to have it for your cars, you've got a pool table over there. I'm sure you could get a poker table in here. Maybe that's the table that they play poker for entertainment. This is, again, you know, this is an area, this is a house that's unique, and we like to bring you these unique properties. So, Tika, size-wise, I mean, how many cars can we get in here?
So this is a 4,000 square foot structure. You can actually fit 41 cars.
Wow.
Plus some scooters.
Plus, I think the only thing I can afford in here is maybe one of the scooters. Outside of that, I'm out. But on top of this showroom, this 4,000 square foot garage, you have your normal, I say normal because it's not normal, but you have another 2 garages, don't you, as well?
We have another 2 garages as part of the main house that have marble floors, and one of them has a 3-car bay that has marble floors that you can see into the main living areas as well.
Let's go see it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So the last piece to this incredible home. Thank you, Tika, for having us into the house today. It's been great. This has been a lot of fun. You know, I've got a little boy inside me jumping up and down right now with excitement. Is the final, I guess, the garage / showroom with this incredible glass window to look in, where you've got 2, you know, exotic. One is a Stingray, and the other one is another Corvette. This incredible home with these incredible cars, and again, as always, you know, we like to tour you through these incredible estates that exist up in Fort Lauderdale, these one-offs, these one-of-a-kind, the ones that you can't find every day. We all know you can look elsewhere and you can go on different sites, but getting an eye into these properties is not only important, it's valuable. Thank you again.
Oh, it was a pleasure.
And
I'm glad you came.
Oh, it's a pleasure for us, and we'll see you on the next episode.